premise. Sit as such, get a firm hold with whatever dumbbell you're doing, hanging off the edge of the bench, and then just fucking pump out reps, you know? Don't, I've seen some guys do this. Don't like, I mean, at least the way I do it, I'm not gonna let the weight like roll down my fingers and then I like squeeze it back up. I feel like that's a little extra. Nothing wrong with it, I'm just not a fan. I'd rather just get a firm grip on the dumbbell and just do this move. Here to here, that's the range of motion. So a few sets like that. Boy. Oh my God.